Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to decorate tray for Rakhi. For this, you need such box. This is a chocolate box, and I'm sticking this box like this. And the plain side that you see, we have to stick a felt paper on it. So this is the felt I'm using, and you need to stick this felt on this box. If you do not have felt paper, you can use any fabric also, any plain fabric. And here I used glue gun, hot glue gun, but you can use any glue to stick such fabric. Cut this extra felt as per the box size. You see the edges, I have stick these edges also with felt. You need such lace, so this decorative lace I'm going to stick in corners. I just want to tell you guys that you do not have to worry about the materials that I'm using here, because this is just an idea I'm giving you. You can use any material which already available in your house, like instead of that chocolate box, you can use cardboard also. Cut any cardboard in rectangle shape or in a square shape, and use any laces that you already have in your house and stick around that cardboard. These are some artificial flowers and leaves I will be using to decorate this tray. I'm decorating this tray especially for Raksha Bandhan, and I have made some Rakhis also in my previous video. If you want to learn how to make Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan, you can go through the link that is popping up. I have this pearl chain, so I'm using this chain to again decorate the corners of this tray. This is just an idea I'm giving you guys. You can use any decorative items that you already have in your house, so you can use those things to decorate this tray. I'm decorating this tray especially for Raksha Bandhan, but this tray can be used for multi-purpose, like in weddings and in engagements to decorate the rings. You can put your rings on this and this will look really pretty. This is a pine cone that I had, so I'm sticking this cone also for decoration. So this way this tray is now ready. I made this tray for especially for Raksha Bandhan, but you can use this tray in weddings also and in engagements, like to decorate the rings. And I just want to tell you guys that I didn't buy anything from market. I used the things that I already had in my house. So this way such beautiful piece you can make with things which already have in your house. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by your comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.